This class is about English connectors for B2 level, even for C1 level. I think it's a good idea if you write these words in your notebook. Therefore, he was sick, therefore he stayed at home. Besides studying for the exam, Sarah also volunteered at local animal shelter. That's why John had saving money diligently, and that's why he could afford to travel around the world. Despite the heavy rain, the team continued with outdoor practice. In addition, he's fluent in Spanish, and in addition, he speaks English. Unless you won't pass the course unless you attend the mandatory lectures. Mary decided to go for a run instead of watching TV in evening. While she studied, while her brother plays video games. Although it was raining, they decided to go for a walk. Nevertheless, it was a challenging journey. Nevertheless, they reached their destination of time. The word for journey, the journey meaning is travel, but only the part when you go by plane, by train, by car. It's only this part of the travel. It's not the part for see place, destination place, or restaurants and things like this. It's only the part that why you go with plane, car, bus, train. Moreover, she has extensive experience in marketing, and moreover, she has a strong background in digital advertising. Furthermore, the hotel has beautiful pool, and furthermore, it offers stunning views of the mountains. Moreover and furthermore is the same word, but I think furthermore is more polite than moreover. Such as he plays sports, such as rugby and golf. And this is the end. And write a comment if you will add another connector that you like.